Assalamu alaikum, 大家好. This is KHADIJA here. Welcome to another lesson of Chinese language. Today's topic is about restaurant Chinese. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you the useful restaurant vocabularies and phrases in Chinese language. So now we're gonna start it. Before we start, I want to remind you to subscribe my YouTube channel for more Chinese lesson by clicking the subscribe button below down there. The number one is restaurant. How to say restaurant in Chinese? It's 饭店, 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 restaurant. Let's have a look at the example of 饭店. 我想去饭店吃晚饭. I wanna have dinner in a restaurant. 我 means I or me. 想 means want, to want something. 去 means to go. 饭店 means restaurant. 吃 means to eat, eating. 晚饭 means dinner. 晚 means night. 饭 means meal, literally means night meal, which is dinner. 晚饭我想去饭店吃晚饭。我想去饭店吃晚饭。I wanna have dinner in a restaurant. The next is waiter. 服务员。服务员。服务员。Waiter. Next one is menu. 菜单。菜单。菜单 menu. Let's look at this example. 服务员，你可以给我一份菜单吗？ If you want to ask for a menu from the waiter, you can just say like 服务员，你可以给我一份菜单吗？服务员 means waiter. 你 means you. 可以 means to politely way to ask like can you? 你可以 can you? 给 means give. 我 means I or me. 一 means one. And fun is a major word for paper, for documents, or menu. 菜单 means menu. And ma is used for the question. 服务员，你可以给我一份菜单吗？ Waiter, can you give me a menu please? The next is order. 点菜。点菜。点菜 order. 你准备好点菜了吗？ A waiter might come up to you and ask you about your order, and he can ask you like 你准备好点菜了吗？你准备好点菜了吗？ Are you ready to order, or may I take your order? 你 means you. 准备好 means are you ready or are you prepared? 点菜了 that means order, and ma is used for the question. 你准备好点菜了吗？你准备好点菜了吗？ Are you ready to order? The next is specialty. 特色菜。特色菜。特色菜 specialty. 你们有什么特色菜？ What is your specialty? 你们 means you all. 有 means have. 什么 means what. 特色菜 specialty. 你们有什么特色菜？ What is your specialty? The next is chopsticks. 筷子。筷子。筷子。中国人用筷子吃饭。Chinese people eat with chopsticks, and that is true. Chinese people often use chopsticks to eat. 中国人用筷子吃饭。 Chinese people eat with chopsticks. 中国 means China. 人 means people. 中国人 Chinese people. 用 means to use. Use. 筷子 means chopsticks. 吃饭 means eat. 中国人用筷子吃饭。Next is 请问几位? When you enter in the restaurant, the very first question of the waiter is how many person, how many people. So, 请问几位? 请问 means may I ask. 请 means please. One means ask. 请问 may I ask. 几 means how many. 位 is used for the person. 请问几位? May I ask how many people? You can just answer this simply by saying one person. 一位 one 一 位 is used for the person. 一位 or two person. 两位 or you can even say 三位 three person. The next is, do you have a reservation? 请问你有预定吗? 请问你有预定吗? If you don't have reservation, you can just say 我没有预定。我没有预定。没有 means don't have. And if you do have reservation, you can say 我有预定。有 have. 我有预定。预定的名字是 The reservation is under the name of, like my name is KHADIJA, so I can say 预定的名字是 KHADIJA. 预定 means reservation, and the is a possessive particle word. 名字 means name, and 是 is used for SMR. 预定的名字是 KHADIJA. The reservation is under the name of KHADIJA. Yeah. The next is 好吃。好吃。好吃 that means it's tasty or delicious. 这家饭店菜很好吃。The dishes in this restaurant are very delicious. 这 means this. 家 is a measure word for a restaurant. 饭店 菜 means food. 很 means very. 好吃 means delicious or tasty. 这家饭店菜很好吃。The dishes in this restaurant are very delicious. Next is, please enjoy your meal. 请慢用。请慢用。请慢用。Please enjoy your meal. Next is, waiter, can I get the bill, please? 服务员，请买单。服务员，请买单。服务员，请买单。So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed it yet. See you in the next lesson. Allah Hafiz. 再见。